How to fix Instagram Reels lag. If you are facing lag on Instagram, follow these steps. Firstly, open Instagram on your device and make sure you are logged in with your account. Now click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. In your settings and activity, scroll down. Scroll and search for the option Media Quality. If you are facing lag problem on Instagram, make sure to turn off the option Use less cellular data. Now go back to your home page and open App Store. If you're using Android, then open Google Play Store. Search for the Instagram app and look for any updates that may be available. If there are updates available, then make sure to update those. Finally, open Settings on your device. Go to the Wi-Fi option and make sure that you have a good internet connection. You can also try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now go to your iPhone storage and search for Instagram. Once you find the Instagram app, click on Offload app to delete unnecessary data. That's all for today. Thank you.